Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. And today I'm really excited to bring you this beautiful 2022 Boston Whaler Vantage. This boat I call the Swiss Army knife of boats. This thing will do anything you want to do, kind of go anywhere you want to go. Start up here in the front, and you're going to notice we've got a nice big area here where we can step from here to the dock. The rail has these handles, but what's really neat is if you want to pull up on the beach, swim ladder goes over the front, and again you've got this area to walk right up and off of the boat. And then here is a base. You'll see in the photos there's a nice table that goes here, or this will fill in and make a full sun deck here on the front. The other thing that's nice is the seating up here. I'm 6'1" and I got plenty of room to lounge up here if I want to. And as I mentioned, around that table we can put 4 adults, very easy to enjoy watching the sun go down, moon come up, a little glass of wine or whatever you may like. Great storage underneath these seats here as well. Here's our legs for the tables. Storage in the floor. And for inclement weather, very easily we close this panel as well as the windscreen, and we've got everything blocked out. And speaking of the windscreen, you'll notice this zipper here. This is for the glass to zip in here and go to the windshield, so on a rainy day or a really cool day we can enclose this hardtop area. And you'll notice a little snap here. That's so that you can raise the panel up and put it in place when you're not using it. Also notice kind of this neat color under this hardtop. That's an option on this boat. Really makes it very, very comfortable in here and kind of gets rid of some of that reflection and light. Over here on the starboard side, you're going to notice the potty. And right now there's a seat down on the potty, so you can sit on that to shower. Nice big deep area here. And then you'll also notice your circuit breakers right here on the panel, so they're very easy to get to if you have some kind of a problem with any of the electrical on the boat. And then as we step back, you can notice down here on the port side, this boat actually has a cabin. So again, I'm 6'1", I've got plenty of headroom in here. This will slide over to make a bunk. I've got some storage down here, storage up here. It's an area so that if you want to do an overnight somewhere, you definitely got a place you can lay down. During the day, this is a place where people can keep their day bags, come in here to change clothes or whatever that might be. Then my companion seat over here. Again, typical whaler, very, very overdone in terms of how comfortable and nice this seat is. I can also let it up and down. So depending on my guest, they've got plenty of visibility over the bow of the boat. And then as we go over here to the helm, we're going to talk about those beautiful 400 horsepower Mercs on the back, but I do have joystick docking as well as the skyhook and the auto heading. Digital shift and throttle, Mercury active trim, Raymarine VHF radio, nice fusion stereo, and then you'll see this big dash with the dual screens as well as the repeaters down here. And the nice thing is, you know, here I can have various different, from the fish finder to the dashboard. I can put the radar up on there, and of course obviously I got the navionics on over here. Tilt steering wheel, 5 bolsters, so if I want to sit up high I can. And once again, I've got an electric seat over here on this side to go up and down. Another great storage area here on the floor. And then as we come back here to the galley, or to what we call the summer kitchen, got the electric Kenyon grill, sink, storage, and here's our live well to keep bait alive. And you'll notice the rounded sides, the blue color, it's lit. Does everything you need to do to keep that bait alive and going. Also in this unit, we have the electric isotherm refrigerator, some storage down here, and then some of our switches for things back here with our live wells, freshwater system, etc. This is a unique seat that Boston Whaler builds, and you can see the integrity in this hardware that they manufacture. But this seat will lay back and forward so that we can use this as a sunbathing area. But if that's not enough, this seat folds out in the back so that I've got room back here to not only seat guests, but this is where my other table goes, so that we've got plenty of room back here to enjoy the afternoon or the evening meal that we may be having. This has the sure shade that comes back and covers the whole area back here on the back of the boat. This also has a dive door on it, so that you've got easy access if you're walking onto a dock, or there's a big ladder that goes in the water, so if you're scuba diving or you've got older people on board, it's very easy for them to get in and out of the boat. This is one of the in-floor fish boxes. This is on the starboard side. We have a matching one over on the port side. Access to the bilge under this hatch, and a transom gate, so if we want to walk to the back, we do have a swim ladder that goes in the water back here, and lots of space to enjoy getting on and off the boat, swimming, getting in and out of the water. I also have a transom shower back here, so it's very easy to rinse off as you come out of the water, or if you're spending the night on the boat and don't want to use the shower down below, you can shower off here. These big 400 horsepower Mercury motors are running right now, and we've been using the sky hook to stay in place. It's absolutely a super setup. I'm Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida, and come see this Swiss Army knife of boats. It's a 2022, 4 months old, still has a lot of warranty left on it, and you can be out boating and enjoying it today.